I've seen a lot of cylinders come through here, and I haven't seen one in this kind of shape. That was the reaction from Hydrotech Incorporated machinist Bobby Watson when he saw the cylinder he and his fellow machinists were challenged to repair. The owner of the cylinder was in a bind. The cylinder was crucial to his company's manufacturing process. Without it, an essential machine would be down, costing money and slowing down the completion of jobs for paying customers. To further complicate the situation, the original cylinder manufacturer was no longer in business, which left the customer with limited options for repair. Purchasing a new custom cylinder would be expensive. A new hydraulic cylinder generally costs 3 times more than the cost to repair an existing one. Repair was the obvious preference. Fortunately, Hydrotech Incorporated's service and repair division was fully capable of remanufacturing the custom cylinder.
Hydrotech is a hydraulic, pneumatic, electronic motion control solutions provider.
We provide systems and components for anything on any piece of machinery that moves. If it moves, whether it be via air, via hydraulics, or via electric, we have the capability to take and mold that system, design that system to efficiently run that customer's machine.
Not only do we do the engineering side of it, but we also do the distribution side of it. And so we also do a lot of integration between the products and the controls for a complete turnkey solution.
We are involved in not only design and assembly, but also in installation and commissioning of systems. So we try to work very closely with our customers, and it's to their benefit and ours to partner in the final solution.
And we understand that performance and value is really what's important to our customers. We have to help them set themselves apart from their competitors. And being creative and innovative is that's kind of been in our DNA since the beginning.
I started Hydrotech on April 8, 1967. When we first started, it was just a sales company. And of course, early on, I was the only employee. The major industry in Cincinnati at that time was machine tool. So I focused in that category. Of course, initially you start out with product lines that aren't well known. And then if you have some success, then ultimately other manufacturers start to notice your success, and they approach then wanting representation of their products. And so that was the stair-stepping to get to more familiar product lines and growth. So that was what really moved us into the systems arena, and then it continued to grow from there.
Hydrotech is a regional company. We operate in Ohio, Kentucky, some of the border counties of Indiana, and also the border counties of West Virginia. This facility here is about 50,000 square feet. We have another stocking facility up in Cuyahoga Falls, fully staffed, can do the same operations that we have here. As a matter of fact, one of our divisions, DHP, which is the compact power packs, is based out of our Cuyahoga Falls facility. So that's where all the manufacturing for that particular division is.
DHP, that was developed because we realized there was a niche market for small power packs. And so we focused on a market that we could do a total unit as an integral part of a particular operation or machine. And the progress has been nothing short of phenomenal.
And we started out mainly in the fluid power end of it, the hydraulics and the pneumatics. But now that we have all of the technologies and disciplines, both hydraulics, the pneumatics, electronic motion, the controls, what we say is if it moves, we can help.
The technology change in this industry is similar to what you would see in the computer industry, because computer controls are being applied to the machinery that we are designing for. So what we do here as a company is that our engineering staff is involved in an ongoing training process to understand the new technology, to understand how we want to apply that in order to create energy savings for our customers, and how to reduce our carbon footprint here and help our customers and do that as well. So a lot of the new products and the new technology is designed to be able to do that.
Environmental concerns here at Hydrotech are very important, and we have taken some initiatives here in the way that we operate to become greener. We changed all of our lighting systems over the past few years. We're on a recycling program. We're looking at what's necessary to get the ISO certification for being a green business. But it's also important that we have that expertise that we can provide to our customers, because that seems to be more and more important today.
When the initial customer contacts Hydrotech, it's either directly here in this facility or through the sales. Typically it's through sales. We have here a project management system that was a software program that was written by Hydrotech for Hydrotech. It's completely proprietary. Everything that we do from the initial contact goes into that project site, and a project is created. Every bit of communication, every bit of information that is associated with that project is recorded within that project site. So all of the drawings, all of the discussions back and forth between the sales force and engineering, all of the discussions between engineering and the customer, any meetings that were generated in relation to discussion for that project are all recorded within that project. From that point, we will generate a quote for our customer, and once that quote has been accepted, we will generate a set of drawings for that particular system. At that point, of course, purchasing gets involved, products are purchased, and the drawings are released to our production department to be built. From there, we will take it and we do a complete test and runoff here at our facility prior to shipping to the customer. And we do provide installation at the customer site if they require that.
With Hydrotec's manufacturing, there's really nothing we cannot do. Anything a customer needs, we can manufacture. We work with a lot of other vendors, and we can design custom manifolds, custom rails, custom power units. We can do full install, and also with service and repair, we have the ability to troubleshoot.
We utilize both our production staff, because we have some gentlemen in the production staff that have an installation background. And we also use some of our service technicians because of the troubleshooting capabilities that they have to make sure that the system is running efficiently. We do repair product here, valves, pumps, controls, that type of thing.
Hydrotec is always concerned about our customers being successful, and the roles that we play with their success is that we get involved with their engineering and technical people to help them better understand how the products that we have can help them achieve the performance that they want in the most efficient way possible.
There's a lot of different training opportunities that we provide here. For the customer, the benefits are that they're getting specifically an opportunity to come here and have us direct our training toward them in the products that we are applying so that they understand fully the Hydrotec product. So we become a value-added source to our customer by being able to provide a complete system, which eliminates for them the need for multiple vendors where we can provide the entire package as one.
We're also a distributor to a lot of key brands like Lincoln, Sun Hydraulics. So all your needs are met with really one phone call to us.
Our average tenure at Hydrotec here is about 17 years. That speaks volumes about the people who own this company and run this company and the dedication that the employees have to those individuals.
We pride ourselves in making this a place where people want to come to work in the morning. And that's accomplished through communication, fair dealing, and a respect for their abilities.
Hydrotec's future is extremely bright. We've just gone through some more strategic planning to kind of refine where we're heading over the next 5 years. We are setting up custom portals for each of our customers so they can interact, correspond with us 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
I'm very confident of our position, and it's been achieved through a lot of hard work, planning, and focus.
At Hydrotec, we not only care about our people's success, but we really care about our customers' success, and we'll do anything that we can to ensure that for them.
Our goal at Hydrotec is innovative ideas, technical expertise, and engineered solutions for the benefit of our customers, for both their success and our goals in being a partner to our customers.
The design of the unit is very clean. It looks very simplistic, but behind all the blue panels, there is one heck of a lot going on.
In our design process, our objective is to try to develop the smallest footprint possible to complete the testing that we're trying to accomplish.
One thing unique about this particular test stand is that all the technologies that Hydrotec has are in it. You know, our engineering team was involved, our assembly team, automation, filtration. There isn't much that we do that isn't in this particular package.
What we've done is we've utilized several different technologies. From the control standpoint, the MLCH, which is a motion logic controller with a hydraulic axis. We also then utilize the SVP technology, which is a energy savings, quiet, low heat technology. We couple that along with a force feedback device on our hydraulic cylinder that is feeding position and velocity and force back to that motion logic controller and closing that loop. So we're utilizing all these technologies to give our customer, our end customer, the greatest benefit.
The main features of this test stand reside in the technology that we're using from one of our major suppliers, Bosch Rexroth Corporation. Primarily, the system uses their motion logic control system, which features new technology from Open Core Engineering. It also will allow for servo motion control with the traditional servo axis and hydraulic combined. That is very unique to their solution. There's also other technologies involved with the servo drive system, such as safety on board for machine safety. Open Core Engineering basically opens up the core of the motion controller with a direct interface to common software platforms. In this case, we're using Java to feed back the information to our servers. And that allows other customers to get that data real time.
We've built test stands for customers to perform the same types of functions, and we do all the programming, exactly what the customer is looking for to simulate applications. And it's helping our customers achieve the quality that they're looking for. It's a great example of all the technologies and capabilities that we have here.
Whether your process requires high volume and flow rate, a systemized lubrication system with external valving, specialized heat transfer, or a custom power unit designed to provide maximum motion control and integration to your pump motor group, you can count on Hydrotec to ensure that your system will stay up and running with the best solutions for demanding hydraulic, pneumatic, motion control, and fluid handling applications. Hydrotec Systems Group is the leader in providing you with production efficiency based on custom solutions built with the most dependable components for your application. 40 years of problem solving has helped us establish a well-rounded knowledge base across a wide range of industry. With the Hydrotec solution, we give life to your machinery and equipment in many ways. The process starts with the Hydrotec Systems team working closely with the customer to identify all of their production requirements. Everyone's process is just a little bit different. Hydrotec power units are built with the finest components available on the market. One such line is that which is offered by Thermal Transfer Products, who provides Hydrotec with high-efficiency heat transfer components and systems. Whether the customer application requires hydraulic presses, injection molding, any sort of air-to-air aftercoolers for rotary screw, centrifugal, air compressors, or vacuum systems, Thermal Transfer Systems can cover a wide variety of industrial process applications used in daily plant operation. They service a wide range of manufacturing, including mobile hydraulics, industrial hydraulics, compressed air, and many process industries. Hydrotec power units rely heavily on the maintenance and performance advantages of Thermal Transfer Product solutions.
The real advantage of that partnership we have with Thermal Transfer is being able to contact them to meet not only our customer needs, but our personal needs. We deal with a lot of customized solutions here at Hydrotec, and we have to have the ability to adapt. And so we're able to contact Thermal Transfer very quickly and come up with a solution and really work together to ultimately have a project that the customer is happy with.
Hydrotec power units are used in a wide range of industrial markets. By having a capability for complete integration, Hydrotec power units provide customers with maximum quality control and value. Our qualified tech teams can make sure that your power unit is properly set up, including any special design requirements or accessories that need to be installed. Hydrotech also provides training to your personnel on all fluid power disciplines, whether individuals are just starting out in the industry or are seasoned specialists. Downstream, should you need service or repair, Hydrotech technicians